AI coding tutorial. So in this video we are going to look at how we can use AI to code simple web apps just like this one, okay, without you writing a single code. So let's get right into it. The first thing is that you need the AI coding platform. So in this video we are going to use Google AI Studio, okay, and then from here you can see that we have the models, okay. So when you click on the down arrow, you see that we have different types of model. We have the Gemini 2.5 Pro, and then we have the flash, then we have the flashlight preview, okay, but we are using the Pro for this tutorial, okay. So you can go to Google and then search for Google AI Studio to bring right in and come to the chat, and then from here you have the option to come and then talk or chat with the AI Studio, okay. And then from here, what else you have to know about when it comes to AI, using AI to code, is that all you need is that you need the idea, okay. You have to know exactly what you want the AI to do for you. It's not like the olden time whereby you have to write a single code yourself. So just like this one, okay, so I want to create a calculator, but there are three things that I need. I need the index HTML, I need the star CSS, and then I need the script.js code. So anything that you want to code, you just have to make sure that these three are present, and then come and then click on the run, okay. So any web app, anything, make sure that you have these three present, okay. You just tell the AI that I want this, but I want it in the form of the first one, okay, and then the first one is this, and that is the HTML, that is the index HTML, okay. So if it's a web app, make sure that you want it in the index HTML, and this is the code that it has given, okay. So that's the index HTML code, and then the other form of it is that, so we have the copy option, then the other form of it is that we have the CSS, okay. That's the style of CSS. You have to make sure that the style of CSS is also present for whatever web app that you want to do, and then this is the style of CSS code for my scientific calculator, okay. And then the last one is the JavaScript, okay. So this is the JavaScript code for my scientific calculator. As I said, I am just going to create a scientific calculator, and then we have the copy option as well. So after getting the code done, you need a platform that you are going to create the app, and then we are going to use Replit. So you go to Google, you search for Replit, and then come and select Replit. It is a free platform that you can come and then sign up for, totally free. You have the option to log in, so I'm simply going to log in because I have an account already, and I'm simply going to use my Google account to log in, and then simply come here to where you have create app. You select it, and then over here Replit is also having an agent, but since we have our codes written already, we are going to select choose a template, okay. So when you select choose a template, the template that we are going to use is the HTML. So simply come and then search for the HTML so that we'll be able to paste in our codes, okay, because our code is written in the HTML. And then we have the auto refresh, okay, and then we also have the static. So the auto refresh is the best one. It will automatically refresh the codes for us, and then after selecting it, over here you see that this is exactly what we need, the HTML, the CSS, and then the JS, and then come and then title your web app, okay. So I'm going to title mine as first AI app, that is the calculator, and then simply come and then click on the create app, okay. So over here you see that we are within our app, just like this one, and then it will automatically create the index HTML for us. So this is the index HTML, but we have to add the other ones, okay, and then within it is the code, but we have to add the other ones, okay. So when you come here to where you have the plus sign, just come and then click on the plus sign, and then come and search for the CSS, okay. That is the second one. So you search for CSS and come and select the style.css, okay. So that is the codes as well. So as I said, you need the index HTML, the CSS, and then the last one is the JavaScript, okay. So you click on the plus icon and then come and search for JS, and then come and select the script.js, okay. So now that we have all them present, let's select our index HTML first, okay. So let's come and then click on it, And let's go for our code. Okay, so over here we have our index HTML code. What that you have to do is simply come down, scroll down. Okay, after scrolling down, you see the copy option. Come and click on the copy option, and then simply come. So you can see that you have copied it, and then simply come here to the index HTML. Come and then highlight it by clicking on Control A, and then paste it by clicking on Control V, and then you paste our codes in. So let's come and then select the style.css, and then let's get our code. So this is our style.css. Okay, so that is the code that has been written for us. You scroll down and then come and then click on the copy, and then it has been copied. Okay, so after that, simply come here, select the style of CSS, highlight the code that is in already, and then replace it with our own code. Okay, and then let's select the JavaScript, and then over here simply come here, okay, to where we have the JavaScript. As you can see, we have it right here. These are the codes. You scroll down and then come and click on the copy. By clicking on the copy, you will see that it has been copied successfully. Now let's go back into this and then come and then paste it right here. Now we have all our codes here. All that you have to do is simply come and then run the codes. Okay, so come and click on run, and then that is it. Your app is going to be live for you just like this. Okay, so we have successfully built our web app. So let's view it. We have successfully built our web app that is a scientific calculator without us writing a single code. Okay, so that is how to use AI to code and then create something amazing. Okay, so all that you have to do now is that when you look at the top right hand corner, you see that we have the deploy. You can deploy it and then share it with the world. Then when you come here to the home and then you select it too, you will find that your app is here as well. So we have its public, and then you can come and click on the three dots, and then you can do anything that you want with it. Now what you have to do is to do the exact same thing, practice it. Okay, then see you in my next video.